Well, we've seen the timeline in action, and we can see that we are allowed to pick and choose which tasks we want adding to the timeline, which makes it effectively quite customizable. We can control its formatting and its layout. What we now need to do, or be able to do, or want to do, is to take that timeline and use it in other applications. We may want to take a copy and email it to someone. We may want to take a copy and put it in a report. We may want to take a copy and put it in a PowerPoint presentation. Well, if you click into the timeline, just to activate the timeline tools format, you'll find there is a copy timeline option that, if you click the drop down, offers you 3 copying types. Now, all the copying type does is control the size of the copy and the quality. So effectively decides the resolution. If you choose copy timeline for email, it copies a much smaller quality image so that it can go with your email much easier. If we choose for presentation, you actually get a quite high copy because it wants to go and be shown displayed on a screen. If you copy full size, then we can paste that into Word. Now we're going to take each one and actually paste them all into Word to see what difference you get. So we're going to choose copy timeline for email. Now there's no indication that it's done it, you just sort of have to believe. Let's go around to our document and then paste. And you can see a copy of the timeline appears. Now this is the email copy, so it's a bit smaller and lower quality than a full copy. If I move down a little and go back, we're going to do copy timeline for presentation. Back to the document, paste, and you can see that that's much wider, allowing it to be used as a full screen on a slide. And then if we do the last copy, full size, come back round and move down the document and paste, we effectively get what looks very similar to the presentation copy, but is actually a little narrower in height. Now if we change the orientation of our document to landscape, and then paste this last one in again, the full size one, you'll see that it actually fits the full width. So when you're copying your timeline, thinking of the destination, you need to make sure that that destination document is the right way around, so a slide already is the other way around, or is the right width, or the margins are set before you paste, because the full size will fill the full width of whatever you're allowing it to have in the destination document. But from the project side of things, it's simply copy timeline and choose one of the 3 options. Then you go to your destination document, so your email, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, and then just paste. And the timeline as it appears will be pasted into your document. You can see that the email one is a lot shorter and will be of a lower resolution so that it goes much faster with your email. And then the presentation and the full one will use the full width of the document that you're pasting into. So that's the ability to effectively export your timeline and use it in another program.